the street. 360 turn. Back. Got a nice tree next door. And this is this house. I'll try and keep this sturdy. Bonus room upstairs. We also have this extended driveway. I'm not sure whose car this is, but just to give you an idea. Extra parking here. And that's the side of the yard. Not sure what's going on with the fence. But the tenant just moved out, so let's take a look. Sorry if this is bouncing. Front door. Walking in. This is like wood floor here. First walk in, here's the dining room. That's a tray ceiling up there in the dining room. So you first walk in, this is formal dining. Come back this way. The living room. Height of the ceilings. Good sized living area. Okay, so I'm in the living room. Carpet needs to be clean, or hopefully it'll come clean. That's what it looks like. Of course, again, the tenant just moved out. So we go to the left here, and we have a room. I think this is the master. Nice tall ceilings. Great sized room. The bath, walk in. Sorry. Toilet area. Soaking tub. Double sinks, mirror. Shower here. Also, someone still lives here. Closet. Okay. It's not an abundant amount of closet space, but we have closet space. Okay, go back this way. Come out of the master bedroom. There's a closet there. Whole closet. Now I'm walking back out of the master from the front, and we're walking through the living room, going to the kitchen dining. So I'm entering the kitchen and dining. Breakfast area. .360 kitchen. Kitchen. Walking through the kitchen. Laundry room. Garage. So again, the tenant is still moving out. Just to give us some light. Some car. Come back through the garage. Okay, I'm coming back through the kitchen. Now over here we have, I think, 2 bedrooms. Then we have a bonus room. Ceilings in. This is the bedroom to the left. Closet space in here looks like this. And you got a little indentation over there for something. Coming back through here. Bedroom 2. Coming back to the hallway. And there's the stairs up to the bonus room. Main bath. Come back this way. Bedroom 3. And this one has stainless carpet soil. And then you have big closet in here. And again, the carpet's soiled throughout actually. So we got some cleaning to do, but they come clean. Okay, now we're going up the stairs. Do that. First come upstairs, you got a little place here for a desk. Another area for a little office area, a little TV area. And this is the bonus room. Or theater room. Okay, fan up here. Nice and cool up here. And then you have your closet. So we have 4 bedrooms and then we got a office here. And this is just attic storage. Walking back downstairs. Down and going to the dining room. Hopefully some dogs out here. Okay. We're outside now. What the porch looks like. Backyard. Good size, not huge. Swing set. Down at the porch. Looking in the yard, this is where the fence, what was going on the fence, I'm not sure. That's probably just storage that the tenant has to get out, but this is what the backyard looked like. Turning back to go back into the house. That's the porch. Back in. Okay. Kitchen. Just give you one more view of the kitchen. Countertops are tile. Storage. The kitchen. I don't see the pantry. So I don't see a pantry. Maybe in this little laundry room here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's off the laundry room. Okay. And this concludes our tour. Backing out from the kitchen, going back to the front. Normal dining and the living. That's what the door looks like. There's a little light chandelier at the front door and here.